Hi, I'm Doug Schulte with Select Machining Technologies, and we're here at IMTS 2024 with the brand new Soraluce SAD40. This is the first time the Soraluce SAD40 has been shown anywhere in the United States. This machine is of the Performance Line. All the Performance Line machines share the same column, ram, and saddle assembly. So they have 1.5 meters or 59 inches of vertical travel, 47 inches or 1.2 meters across travel. This particular model is as I said, the SAD40. So it's 4 meters of X-axis. It's also available in 5 or 6 meters of X-axis. The SAD model incorporates a 1 meter diameter milling table, so it's capable of full 4th axis contour milling, as well as positioning at 1/1000th of a degree increments. That table is capable of 4-ton load capacity. The rest of the table, the entire table, is capable of 8-ton load capacity. The SA model is the same exact machine, but without the integrated turning table. And then the SAM model is the same exact machine, but instead of a milling table, it integrates a 400 RPM turning table. The spindle on this machine is a Soraluce built spindle motor, 32 kilowatt continuous and 38 kilowatt duty rated. It is an inline motor which is mounted inside the ram that will also generate 611 Newton meters of torque. The head on this machine is the brand new design Soraluce universal head. This head is the stepless head for 1/1000th of a degree indexing on both the vertical and the diagonal joint. So we can machine vertically, horizontally, left side, right side, even upside down if we need to, and then at any angle in between to match a certain part. This model has a 40 tool changer on the right-hand side of the machine. We can expand the tool changing capacity by adding a 24 tool changer to this side or a 40 tool changer to this side. So we're a maximum tools of 80 tools. What we're demonstrating here at IMTS is our DAS system and our DWS system, both technologies developed by Soraluce for vibration dampening. DAS is the system that handles vibration and chatter, whether it's coming from the machine, the tooling, or the tool holder. And then a DWS manages chatter that's developed in the workpiece. Another feature we're demonstrating here at IMTS is adaptive feed rate control. So adaptive feed rate control is for customers that are machining uneven surfaces. Maybe it's a cast surface, or maybe it's a weldment surface that's not even, and you have in the machining, you're cleaning up a lot of material and the machine ends up cutting air for half of the time. What adaptive control does is it watches for the load on the spindle, and you can program a feed rate and a power load requirement. And then this machine will speed up if it sees less load, and it will slow down if it sees more load. So if it's cutting air, it will run up to 150% of the program feed rate. And then as soon as it touches material, it'll slow down to the program feed rate. And or if it sees more load, it will slow down below the program feed rate. So in the end, it just gives you the best cycle time for the process. Some other features about this machine: we do have the new Heidenhain TNC7 CNC control on this machine. The TNC7 is the latest control from Heidenhain, and it is the standard CNC for all Soraluce machines. Soraluce also offers the Siemens C-numeric 1 and the Fanuc 31i. Another feature of the Soraluce SAD40 and the entire SA series actually is the full enclosure with the roof. So a lot of our other machines are open or have an enclosure that only comes up partially. But on the SAD models, the enclosure with the roof is included as a standard feature. Because of the bed design of the SAD40, all of the chips generated will fall off the front or the back of the machine, of the table, and then be channeled down into the chip conveyor under the working area. So all the chips will come either flush down from the back, and then they'll be taken out to the right side of the machine. The coolant system in the standard SA series is integrated into the chip conveyor tank, and provides 300 PSI through spindle coolant, as well as 300 PSI flood coolant if needed. We can add an MP Systems high pressure pump, like when this machine is going to a customer down in Valdosta, Georgia. He purchased an MP Systems 1000 PSI pump, which will integrate to this machine. Soraluce can also provide their standard Filber system for 1000 PSI if desired. If you're interested in learning more about this machine, please feel free to reach out to your local select distributor, whether it's Morris, GOSIGER, or HARTWIG, or Arizona CNC, or feel free to contact us here at Select Machining Technologies.